FOMC rate decision is today at 2 p.m. Eastern time, and this is everything that you need to know before it's actually reported. Let me go ahead and start sharing my screen. Overall, NASDAQ market currently is down 0.5%. Now, for those that are unaware, this is the Fed rate monitor tool, which pretty much gives us an expectation of what the Federal Reserve is expected to do today at 2 p.m. Eastern time or 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I also wanted to ask you, I definitely do not have to go live, but a lot of you guys like when I do. I just want to make sure enough people show up. Get this video to over 1,000 likes and subscribe to the channel, and I'll make sure that I go live right before the FOMC rate decision begins. And also, Jerome Powell is going to speak 30 minutes after answering reporters' questions. This is a great time to get a better understanding of how this all works, especially if you're a complete beginner. For those that are unaware of what's happening today, the Federal Reserve decides if we're going to be raising, pausing, or cutting interest rates. And according to this Fed rate monitor tool for today, May 1st, 2024, there is a 96.5% probability that the Federal Reserve is going to maintain, meaning that they're not going to raise interest rates, they're not going to cut interest rates, they're going to pause. There's a 3.5% chance that supposedly they're going to cut interest rates. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. I mean, that shouldn't really come as a surprise, as economic data has not supported the case that the Federal Reserve can really begin to cut interest rates, right? Because inflation is not just not going down, it's actually going up. Now, this is the big if. The big thing that I want to make sure that you guys are aware of is, okay, it starts at 2 p.m. Eastern time. If you guys get this video to over 1,000 likes, I'll make sure that I go live. But then 30 minutes after, Jerome Powell is going to be speaking, answering reporters' questions. This is where we need to pay attention to his tone. Is he hawkish or is he dovish? Dovish means that he wants to potentially cut interest rates sooner than later. Or hawkish means, hey, we are nowhere close to where we need to be. We could potentially even be raising interest rates. Imagine if he says something like that, which again is a very low expectation. As you can see, the really two options that everyone thinks is going to happen is pausing or cutting interest rates. Right now, the market has not factored in anything else. So if he says anything that can just suggest otherwise, get ready, right? Not saying that he's going to. I'm just making you aware of the possible reactions that could happen today. So again, 2 p.m. Eastern time, 1,000 likes, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you do need to turn on your post notifications because YouTube will not notify you if it is or when it is that I actually go live. So again, 2 p.m. Eastern time, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You guys now have an understanding of what the market's expectation is. Now all we have to do is wait for the market to report and then see what ends up happening. Is the market going to react in a positive or negative way? Remember, we have no crystal ball. We're not here to predict the future. Our job is just to wait for the market to react. And if we see a clear opportunity, we see clear direction, then for us to strike with choosing to take that trade. And again, that's all going to be happening live if you guys drop 1,000 likes. So appreciate your time. Hope that we're in your thumbs up. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.